Hey, so if you want to turn your links into scannable codes for easy sharing, yeah, Bitly has a built-in QR code feature, even on the free plan. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create and use QR codes with Bitly. First, go to the Bitly website and log into your account. Next, create a new short link or select an existing one from your dashboard. Click on the link, yeah, and look for the QR code option in the link details. Now generate your QR code. Bitly will instantly create one linked to your URL. Download the QR code image, so you can use it anywhere. You can use your QR code on posters, business cards, packaging, or social media. Before sharing, yeah, scan your QR code to make sure it works correctly. And finally, track clicks from your QR code using Bitly Analytics. So yeah, that's how to use Bitly QR code feature for free. It's a simple way to connect offline and online audiences. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.